list view and inherits from view. We can add in a template name here, much like we've done before. And I'll just call this course list. And then I'm going to do something new, and that is setting a query set here. So course.objects.all. And then I'll just go ahead and define get self request args and keyword args. And then we're just going to go ahead and return, well, the render of the request, the self.template name, and then my context, I'll just put in a dictionary here and say object list equals to self.querySet. For better illustration purposes, I'll just leave it in as that context, just like that. Okay, pretty cool. So I bring this into my URLs, and now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this other one and leave that in as view here. And then in my templates, I'll go ahead and say course list.html. And from my product list, I'll just copy that one there. And I'll not worry about a link for now. I'll just show the actual title, save it. Okay, and go back into our courses, just that one list. And we see that I've got 2 in there. Very simple, very easy. But I want to go one step further to get it closer to how the generic view works. And that is defining the getQuerySet method here. And what it's going to do is, well, it's going to return self.querySet. And then in my context, instead of querySet itself, we'll call self.getQuerySet, or this instance method here instead. So if I save that, refresh in here, it's the exact same. However, if I actually inherited from this and said class my list view from that course list, so let's just put it right underneath here. And I said query set, and I put it equal to course.objects.filter, ID equals to 1. This will actually give me a list of items, even though it will only give me 1. And I bring this into my URLs and use that one instead. Save that. I refresh in here. Let's make sure I've saved everything. Okay, I refresh in here. What do you know? There is the biggest benefit of using class-based views is this inheritance property. Of course, I'm not actually going to end up doing that, but I wanted to show you for illustration purposes. Let's bring it back to what it was. That's it.